Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding Tutorial, and in this video I will show you how to use Desygner graphic design maker that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So you notice I have my Google Play Store up and running. So in here, search in Desygner. So it spells like this, Design Maker. Here it is. And before we install this up, let's take a look at the example images in here. So these are the things that we can do with this application. We can create like a pro. So in these examples, you can see you can customize your photos and add graphics and videos and so on. Easy to use editor, simple, fast, thousands of free templates, fully customizable. So we can use the templates available for us. Royalty-free images, stickers, and fonts. Authorize any design in seconds. It's free. Remove photo backgrounds in just one click. Create videos and animations. Add effects easily, as you can see in this example, and so much more. Alright, let's go back and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that this is all-in-one graphic design editor, which has these key features. One-click background remover, remove the backgrounds of your images. One-click resizer, resize your final design into other social media formats quickly. Animate your design, make your social post pop with animated videos and GIFs. So this is the interface, and as you can see, you may need to enter an email address for you to be able to access the dashboard. So we're going to skip this part. You may put your own email address. Alright, so I have done registering my email address, username and password. I have done creating that, and this is the interface. So you should be able to see these available templates right away. So these are the customizable templates that I have mentioned earlier, which you can fully customize. The text, the background images, fonts, stickers, and so on. Alright, let's try to navigate to the tabs above. So flyers, you can also use this, and as you can see, there's sizes in here that you can also apply. So A4, 21 by 29.7 centimeters. These are the designs available. Again, it is fully customizable. So categories above, and then you can choose which template you want to use. So posters, these are the available posters, and you notice that some of the graphics is not yet fully loaded. You may wait for a few seconds since I have a slow internet connection. Alright, so let's go ahead and try. So you also have this resume and CVs, which is also really great, especially if you're going to apply. If you're looking for a job, then you can use this resume template in here. Just have to customize the text and add your own images or photo. So gifs or certificates, as you can see, they have this as well. Price list and menus, documents, invoices, and there's really a lot. Social media for your Instagram, Tumblr, Pinterest. Also cover photos, adverts, web banners there, and the presentations, covers, and so on. So in this example, we're just going to use any of the available templates in here. So magazine, let's just go ahead and try this one here. So select this one and then try to customize this. Let's just tap this one here, this button, and there we can now customize it. So tap any element to edit. So let's say we're going to change the text for this one here. So instead, fuel your business, you can put in your own or your company logo or company name. So logo, this is, you can customize this, remove this if you want to. There, you can make it bigger or smaller. You can also drag and drop this wherever you want. Double tap, change the text. Let's say non-stop coding. I will put my YouTube channel in here, non-stop coding tutorial, like that, and then save. Okay, right, I'm not done yet, so it's going to, okay, like that, and then let's move this somewhere up here. You have the option to change the color. So right now it's violet. You can change it to something like this, light blue or white. Okay, that looks good. Next, I can also remove some of these elements in here if I want to. And also this one here, you can change the images. So here at the bottom, you will notice there's an option to delete, replace, reposition, remove image background, opacity, and so on. So as you can see, they even have this add links, lock, duplicate layer, and so on. So let's just assume that I have done replacing the images. So again, you can just tap this one here to replace the image. So yes, allow if you want to. Then you can also use their free images in here. So this is in my gallery, so I can replace it with this one if I want to. Let's just try this one here. There, so it has been replaced. So that's how simple it is. Then you can even drag and drop this wherever you want to. I'm going to cancel it since I'm just showing to you how it's done. So to undo it, to undo the changes that you made, just tap this one here, undo button at the top. There, so it's back to the original. And let's say that I have done editing all of the things in here, and I want to save this now. So all I need to do is tap this one here, the download buttons, this one, and here it is. I can rename the title. Let's say instead of untitled, I can rename this project as first project, or any name you prefer. And then you have the option here to either download as JPEG, PNG, or PDF. So you can also add to video, create slideshow if you want to. More options is where you can see the list of these available options. I prefer the JPEG for this example, so I'm just going to select JPEG and check your notifications for requested on cooldown. All right, so do not show this again. Okay, and right now it's currently downloading. All right, so downloading file, check your notifications. Yes, download complete, first project, that JPEG. So it has been successfully downloaded to my phone, and I can go back to the home page again to create a new one. All right, so by the way, if you tap this one here, this button, you will have these options. You can share. All right, you can save it to your Google Drive. So there's more options if you tap the other buttons. So to go back to the page, finish editing, yes. Let's go back to the home page. All right, so we're now on the my projects tab, and we have created the first project. So you have the option to go to the templates, so first project, and then templates, where you can see all of these templates. The images, the free images they offer, which you can use. Illustrations, elements, and so many more. You can even use the search. You can even use the search field in here. And my posts. So this is your post if you want to share your post to your social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn. I'm not going to do that. So templates again, let's go back to the templates, and let's So let's say that we have a business, small business that we want to promote. Then we can use the social media like this, and you can select which one of these is related to our business. So you just have to look for the right template that you can edit. Adverts, this is also good for small businesses that you want to promote online. I will choose somewhat related to my YouTube channel, so technology. Let's try the search button in here and let's type in technology. Okay, these are some of these are resumes. Okay, this one looks good as well. Okay, let's try this. So tap this one to edit. Okay, tap any element to edit. All right, so we can tap this one here to replace, double tap to replace the text, and instead of technology expo, we can put in my own channel, YouTube channel, or any text that you prefer. So non-stop coding tutorials, and also this one here, if you want to edit this, just go ahead and double tap. You can also delete if you want to. The images can be replaced by tapping this and there. Show stock, can use any of the images available. So again, it's really easy to use, very simple, very straightforward application. So let's just assume that I have done editing this and I want to save this now. So all I need to do is tap. Okay, you can tap these three dots or this one here beside the three dots, it's up to you. Let's try the three dots this time. So you can rename the project in here as well. Second design, let's rename it like that. And then so you have the schedule post where you want to share this to your social media. Edit project again, there. You can put this in a public view. You can share the copy project link and share it to your friends. So there's really a lot of options. So in this example, I'm just going to save it to my phone. So tap the save and there you have it. So the My Projects tab will show all of your projects created. So that's how simple and really easy to use this application. I'd highly recommend this to anyone who has small businesses that they want to promote. I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.